This is Kuaile 2, workbook, page number 56. We're going to correct activities number 5 to 7. Okay, this activity is made with the stickers. So select the correct pictures from the appendix, these stickers that you should have, then stick them here. I don't have the stickers here, so I'm going to translate the sentences so that way you can, if you have the stickers, you can stick them here in the proper place, okay? And other possibility, if you don't have the stickers, don't worry. What you can do is just make a little drawing with this description, okay? For example, the first one. First one, 这个房间比那个房间大. This room is bigger than that room. Okay, so we have here the comparison between two different rooms. Okay. Number 2, 这个灯跟那个灯一样. Okay. Here you have it, okay? This lamp is equal to that lamp. 这个灯跟那个灯一样. Number 3, 这个花园比那个花园漂亮. Remember that at any moment you can stop the video and you can check, okay? Because that way you can, if you need to make a little drawing, you can do it, okay? Or if you have the stickers, you can check them. Next one, number 4, 这件衣服比那件衣服干净. Spanish here is much shorter, okay? 这件衣服比那件衣服干净. Important here, remember how to make comparisons using be, okay? This compared to that and the adjective, okay? This is important part of this exercise. Number 5, 他的自行车跟我的自行车不一样. His bike is different to my bike. Here, we can translate it two ways, okay? I've chosen one in English and one in Spanish, two different ways of translating this expression. In Chinese, when we say 不一样, remember that yang is equal, okay? The same. But if we say 不一样, it's not the same, it's not equal, it's different, okay? So we can say it's different, or we can say it's not equal, okay? You can choose whatever you want because the meaning is the same. Please check your answers, and we continue with number 6. And this exercise, we've been doing some other similar exercise to this. I want to focus on this particular exercise because here we need to learn little by little how to use Chinese measure words. Remember that in Chinese, when we are counting things, counting people, we cannot say just number and the object or the person. No, we need to use these measure words, okay? And here we have 5 different ones, okay? Remember, the first one, this is the generic measure word, is used most of the times, and even if we don't know which measure word to use, we can use this one, okay? Ping, the meaning is bottle, okay? So we are talking about the liquids, so we can use this one. We are referring to a bottle of something. Zhi, this is referred to animals, okay? And some other uses, but particularly according to what we've been studying, animals, okay? Jin, this is the Chinese kilo. Remember that is a little bit different from ours because in China, they use this unit in order to express 500 grams, okay? So they refer to this jin, the Chinese kilo, 500 grams. And the last one, jian, this is used for clothes, okay? Pieces of clothes. So we have different possibilities, different expressions, which one should be in each case. For example, the first one, we have here 牛奶, 2 牛奶, 2, and we use bottles of milk, okay? 牛奶, remember, milk. So 2, number 2, 瓶, okay? We have to use this one, 瓶, which means bottle, okay? Number 2, 一花园, this garden, flowers, 一花园. We don't have a specific one for this, so we use the first one, okay? 个. Next one, 三 and 鸡. This is, in this case, we are referring to the chicken meat, okay? When we go to a shop and we buy some chicken meat. So at this respect, we could use this one, number 4, okay? 3.5 kilos of chicken meat. Next, 5苹果. Here we can use different ones, okay? We can use, for example, 5个苹果 if we are counting apples, or 5斤苹果, 5 half kilos of apples, okay? But I'm going to use this one, okay? Imagine that we are referring to 5 apples. So we use number 1, okay? 5个苹果. The next one, we were talking about this one a minute ago. This is for clothes. So 衣服, the meaning is clothes. So 2 pieces of clothes. So we use here for clothes, we use number 5, okay? Next, 6 and 鸡蛋. 鸡蛋, egg, okay? Eggs. So 6 eggs, we are counting eggs, we use this generic one. As you can see, the generic one is much more used than other measure words in Chinese. Number 7, 一小狗. 小狗, this little dog. So we are counting animals, we use this one, number 3, okay? 一只小狗. And the last one, 帮猪肉. 猪肉, this is pig, pork, we can say, okay? 猪 is pig or pork, but at this respect, we're referring to pork's meat, okay? So 帮猪肉, we can say half of half a kilo, okay? 250 grams of pork, okay? So we can use number 4. As you can see here, we've been using number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That generally speaking, we use this one, 个, okay? Which is the generic one. Please check your answers. In a second, we continue with the next activity. We continue with activity number 7, okay? Here it says, put appropriate tones on the following pinyin. I'm going to just write this sentence with the pinyin tones, okay? Because that way you can check it clear, okay? So here you have the first one, 我的自行车很便宜. Please check the tones in the sentence. Sentence number 2. So here you have these sentences. Number 2, 这件衣服比那件衣服贵. This piece of clothes compared to that one is expensive, okay, more expensive. Number 3, 哥哥的桌子跟我的桌子一样. My older brother's desk or table compared to mine, then mine with mine is the same, are equal, okay? And 你的房间比我的房间大一点儿. Your room compared to my room is a little bit bigger. So here you have these expressions. Please check them. And we are finishing these activities, okay? Correcting this exercise number 7.